How to fix volume slow after iOS update 17. If you are also facing such issue that your incoming or outgoing voice call volume very slow after iOS update, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is tap on settings, and here look for sounds and haptics. Make sure that your ring call alert volume is set as maximum. So to do so, go to sounds and haptics, and here ringtones and alerts slider set as maximum. The next workaround to fix this issue is clean your sensor from the top screen of your phone. Clean the sensor and side button also, volume up and down button also. Clean your sensor. The another one is tap on settings again and tap on general and scroll down and tap on look for accessibility, and here go to audio and visual section, and here background sounds, turn it off. And check whether your incoming call volume speed up or not. If not, turn off Bluetooth. And the next fixes is restart your iPhone. After restart, check whether your call volume speed up or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is tap on settings, and here go to accessibility, and here tap on touch and scroll down, and here you will find the option call audio routing, and here set a speaker or automatic, one of them, either a speaker or automatic. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to settings again, and here look for accessibility, and here scroll down and tap on hearing devices or hearing add compatibility feature. The next method to fix this issue is go to settings of your iPhone and tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with Face ID or Face passcode, and again tap on reset all settings. That's all.